Good morning, everyone. Uh, I'm not going to teach anything, but there is just now before this there was one PDF which was sent to you, which was related with the uh, question answers of laws of question answers of work and energy.
Silence.
Okay, in that work and energy, I have given you all the answers. There is one answer which I have not given, C and D. Okay, C you don't write it down. Okay, no need. D answer which is there, that is this. Okay, D question is from question number 1 write detailed answer. Question number D is determine the amount of work done when an object is displaced at an angle of 30 degree with respect to the direction of the applied force. See ya? Determine the amount of work done. That means we have to calculate the work when an object is changed at an angle 30 degree, means it has taken up or down, it is changed to 30 degree, displaced at an angle of 30 degree with respect to the applied, whatever the force is applied. Now, object is displaced means what? Object has changed its position. So that displacement, that change, okay, that distance which is, it is taken as S, displacement be S. So when object is displaced by displacement S, and obviously when I am going to pick something, I am applying some force. So here also when it is displaced at angle 30 degree by applying force F at an angle 30 degree, work done will be, we have the formula W is equal to Fs cos theta. F is force, S is the displacement, cos theta. Now sine, cos, these are certain ratios. Okay, certain terms which we use also in mathematical. You will study this year these mathematical terms. Okay, so no need to worry. Now cos theta, cos is certain ratio of an angle. Theta means the angle, that particular angle. So there are different values for cos and those angles. So Fs cos theta, which is equal to Fs cos theta means angle. What degree? 30 degree. So theta is equal to 30 degree. So cos 30. So sometimes theta is 45 degree, 60 degree. So cos 30, cos 45, cos 60. The values are different. There is a table for those values. Okay. Now you have only this. You will learn only this. But as you do the maths too, you will get the clear idea of all these things. Okay, now you just remember there is 30 degree angle and the value of that angle, that is cos value of that angle is root 3 upon 2. Cos theta, that means I can take it as cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. This I did not give you writing in that question answers because you won't understand. So I am just here to explain you. So Fs cos 30 is what? Root 3 upon 2. So I substituted instead of cos 30 root 3 upon 2. So Fs will not change. It will remain as it is. So work done will be root 3 upon 2 times Fs. Whatever Fs multiply by root 3 upon 2 times the Fs. Okay. So this is the graph. Okay. So there are A, B, C, D, E, F. I said C you no need to write. D I have given you. E, F is there. Okay. I'm going to add here one more question which you are going to write it down. Okay. The question, just I'm writing the, you can use the next question number whichever it is, 3, 4 or whatever. Okay, I am just writing for example question number 5. Derive an expression for potential energy. In the PDF which I have sent, even I had told for kinetic energy, I have given the question, page number and everything. Here also I am going to do the same thing. Page number 24. Page 24, copy down that. It starts from the energy stored in an object. Okay, page 24. Please open that page 24. You will write down the definition, that is the energy stored in an object because of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. That one line, and then after that expression for potential energy, and write down that 3 lines till you will write down potential energy is equal to mgh. Again I am telling you, see page 24, which is given with the bold letters. That is the definition of potential energy. That is the energy stored in an object because of its specific state or position is called its potential energy. Okay. Then after that there are 3 things which are given. Skip those. You will not write those 3 things. Below that you will continue with the expression for potential energy. That is to carry an object of mass m to a height h. That everything W is equal to mgh. Therefore it will come till the amount of potential energy stored in the object because of its displacement. Potential energy is equal to mgh till then. Okay. So this will be the answer for the potential energy. This is important. Okay. You will write it down. Then 6th, define power. Okay. That is already given to you. Sorry, define power, it is given to you. Okay. So these are the things which not 6th one. It's already mentioned. So these was the 2 things which I wanted to tell. Okay. Thank you and have a good day.